Hello friends, my name is Chetan Wadadia and today we are going to solve previous year questions of class 10th mathematics which are asked in board examination guys of chapter number 3 pair of linear equation with two variable. So let us start without wasting much time. So this is the first question and let me tell you I am also taking free live lectures on Unacademy guys. So you can join me on Unacademy. Link you will get in the description, and you need to use a referral code for free classes. Also you need to use a referral code that is given below, that is Galaxy Coaching without space. So if you will use that, you will be able to join my free live classes guys. And let us start with this. So first question, solve for x and y. You can say, see these numbers are little bit bigger, so directly you cannot solve this as we are solving in simple elimination and substitution. You cannot directly do elimination or substitution. Actually you can do, but that sum will be very much lengthy and that question will waste your 10 to 15 minutes. So I will tell you a trick by which you can easily find out the solution of this. What you need to do, you need to add this both one time. Come on, one time you need to add this both equation. Come on, add 49 plus 51, you will get 100. Okay, I think x is here, sorry, by mistake I had written. So you will get 100x and the sum of this will be also 100y and sum of this will be 1000. So now if you will take out 100 common, you will get x plus y is equals to 1000. Now take this 100 in the denominator. So you will get x plus y is equals to 1000 by 100. This both number will get cancelled. You will get x plus y is equals to 10. Now same way, one time you had added, now one time you need to subtract. You can see here by adding this equation got reduced. Same way you need to subtract. Come on, 49x minus 51 will give you minus 2x. Subtract. So 51 minus 49 will give you can say minus, so plus 2y. And if you will subtract 499 minus 501, you will get minus 2 as your answer. You can take out 2 common. So minus x plus y equals to minus 2. Take this 2 in the denominator, minus x plus y is equals to minus 2 by 2. This will get cancelled and you will get minus x plus y is equals to minus 1 as your second equation. Now you can do elimination, substitution, whatever like, but you can see how easily we had added and subtracted and we had reduced this equation. So now x plus y equals to 10 and minus x plus y equals to minus 1. So now by adding only this will get cancelled and you will get 2y equals to 9. So y will be 9 by 2. Now you got y. Just keep this value in any of the equation. Let me keep it in the first one. X plus y equals to 10. So x plus 9 by 2 equals to 10. So x will be 10 minus 9 by 2. So here you need to find out LCM. So into 2 into 2. So you will get x is equals to 20 minus 9 by 2. X will be equals to 11 by 2 guys. So this way you can find out the values of x and y when you can say these numbers are interchanging. So this type of numbers are there. At that time you can use this shortcut guys, so that easily you can find out. This question is asked in board examination many times. So I had solved this one. Now moving towards question number 2. This is question number 2 guys. In this also you can see now they had not given you any numerical values. Okay, you can say this 2 is given, but here they had given you other two variable on the play with x and y. They had given you a and b. Now from this we need to find out, solve for x and y, means we need to find out x and y. So how we can do that? First we need to reduce this in some standard form. How? By finding out the LCM. So here I am going to multiply this with b and I am going to multiply this with a. So what I will get? xb plus ay upon ab equals to 2. Take it here. So here you will get xb plus ay equals to 2ab. And our second equation was this ax minus by equals to a square minus b square. Now here I will suggest you every time try to use elimination. Elimination will give you perfect answer in a simple manner. So I am always using elimination. How? Just I am going to multiply. This is plus ay. This is minus by. So I am going to multiply b with this whole equation. And I am going to multiply a with this whole equation. So that will help me. So let us see what will happen. B into this. So you can say b square x plus, here you will get a by, and here you will get b with this, so 2ab square. Now when you will multiply a with this, here you will get a square x minus aby. If you will multiply a with this, you will get that. Now here a cube minus a into b square. So now again you can do addition by elimination. So this both will get cancelled, and here you will get b square plus x, b square x plus a square x. And here if you will subtract 2ab square minus 1ab square, a cube will remain same only, but here 2ab square minus 1ab square will give you plus 1ab square. Now you can take out x common here, so you will get b square plus a square, and here you can take out a common, so you will get a square plus b square. Now if you will take this in denominator, this both will get cancelled, so the value of x will be a. Very simple. You can see directly by elimination we got the answer. Now what you need to do, you need to keep this value of a in any of this equation wherever you like. So let me keep this in the second one. Ax minus by equals to a square minus b square was given. Now instead of x I am going to write down a. So a into a minus by equals to a square minus b square. So here also a square minus by equals to a square minus b square. So a square will get cancelled. Minus by equals to minus b square. Again minus will get cancelled. Y will be equals to b square by b. So 1b will also get cancelled, and you will get y equals to b. So this way easily you can find out the value of x and y in terms of a and b. You got the answer. Got it, guys? One more of this type of question I am going to solve, because continuously out of, you can say, 10 papers you will get such question in 8 sample papers, or you can say 8 papers of previous 10 years. So please solve this type of questions, guys. Okay, you can see second, this sum I had taken little bit easy, because easily you can understand what we need to do. Now again you can see same type of question, but here plus by minus ay. So what we are going to do, I am going to multiply just a with this whole equation and b with this equation. If you will multiply, you will get a square x plus aby equals to a square minus ab, and here b square x minus aby equals to a square, and sorry ab a into b and plus b square. So when you will add this will get cancelled, and here minus ab plus ab will also get cancelled. So here you will get a square x plus b square x, and here also a square plus b square. So now take out x common, so a square plus b square, and here also a square plus b square. Take this in denominator, guys. So x will be equals to a square plus b square by a square plus b square. This both will get cancelled. Now generally what mistake students are doing, they take x is equals to 0. Guys, when you are cancelling, your x will be equals to 1 and not 0. Please keep that in mind. Now you are having value of x as 1. Now you can keep that value in any of this equation. Let me keep in the first one. A on the place of x1 plus b by equals to a minus b. So what will happen? This will be a plus by equals to a minus b. A will get cancelled. By equals to minus b. Y equals to minus b by b. B will get cancelled. Y will be equals to minus 1, guys. So this way we can solve this sum, guys, and more questions are there, but that I am going to solve in my next video, guys, because I think this video's length become more. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and also guys, join me on Unacademy by using my code Galaxy Coaching. For free classes also you can use this code Galaxy Coaching, and for paid courses also you can use this code, so you will get 10% discount, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and I'm going to bring next video like this only.